Right, hi guys, so I just want to show you just quickly, I've made a little repair to the bag on the mower. Now it's a material bag, I'll show you in a second. And you know, you often find when you obviously use them every day and they get hammered, they start to get a little bit frayed kind of in the corners, and it loses a bit suction because you haven't got that, you basically got too much of a draft really going through the bag, and it loses a bit suction. So I've done a little repair and I'm going to show you. I didn't do a video of it, I wish I did now because it's helped quite a lot, but I'll turn you around and I'll talk you through it. So it's not pretty, but it's effective. So what I've done, you see here, that's just the elastic off a black sock, basically cut to size. You see on the other side here, just cut to size, and I've mixed, I've got it in my pocket here. So there, Araldite I think it is, so it's like sort of a strong epoxy thing, so you mix equal parts, basically mix it together. It comes with a little mixer, and basically what I did is, you can see here, just put it on the sock and then kind of almost brushed it down just to seal it, and it's rock hard. I mean, it says this stuff can be sanded, it's waterproof, and as I say, it doesn't look pretty, but it's effective. And I was doing it because I was having issues in the wet grass, and obviously, well, not obviously, but when I'm filming this video it's okay today, but we've had a horrible spell of wet weather. So yeah, so I'll put a link below to these things, but wear gloves. It's strong stuff, you can smell kind of the fumes and stuff when you use it, but it's really helped, and it's such a simple little fix to save you buying a new bag. So yeah, I'll pop a link below, but this is, as I say, that's just a sock, the elastic from a sock, and it can stretch a little bit, and yeah, not pretty but effective, so I thought I'd show you that. Alright, cheers, see you in the next one guys.